Rights and duties. Hello friends, I am Ginny. This is my family and there is my house. They are my mom and dad. He is my brother Jimmy. We all live in this house. My dad goes to work to earn money to buy things. My mom looks after the house. She cooks tasty food for us. I and my brother go to school every day. After returning from school, we do our homework and then go to play. My mom takes care of us when we get sick. We go for picnics on weekend. Our parents do a lot for us. We also do something in return. They are our duties. Let us see what our duties are. We respect and obey our elders and talk politely to each other. We put away the toys after playing and pack our bags for school every day. We also help our mom in cleaning the house and clear away the dishes after meals. We both wake up on time for school and go to bed early at night. We quickly complete our homework and do small jobs like watering plants.